Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, major concern over Vybz Kartel verdict date. Viewers and subscribers, international fans, people who reside internationally, viewers and subscribers, are asking, is there pressure being applied from our local government to stall the verdict on Vybz Kartel's case, viewers and subscribers? Now, one thing to keep in mind, when we have a discrepancy with how a court case was handled, or a ruling or a verdict that was handed out, we refer that situation to the Court of Appeal. Now, when the Court of Appeal have your appeal pause, there's no other court entity locally to refer the situation to. Now, viewers and subscribers, that is a sad situation. But when we say no other courts to refer the situation to locally, remember, RT's human rights are being violated. How? How? Due process. Think about it. Every individual, every citizen to any country that you are living in currently, or a citizen of, you are entitled to due process. Meaning, say them for deal with the thing as soon as it presents itself upon them decks. Now, at this point in time, all them could have tell we say is at an advanced stage. A song we hear them a sing from what year. Them not have nothing more to tell we. So them stop, talk. Now, people who reside internationally, who know law, international law as well too, I say, yo, this is not just unethical, this is also unlawful. There's only one reason why this would take place, viewers and subscribers, is unless the powers that be were applying pressure to the judges presiding over the case, and I tell them, say, no, keep that on pause, because we want the verdict to coincide with another major news what we're going to tell nationally. Because when the country is in a celebration mood, because remember, when the teacher is released, viewers and subscribers, it will be a worldwide celebration, no doubt about that. It will be the perfect time for calling an election. I guarantee that. Now, what is the problem? Some people wish to get the teacher to sign on with a particular party, and the teacher said, no, I am for the people. Music and the people and we are deal with. We not deal with that. And when them say statements like that being said, they must say, wait, him still not play a ball. Him still not willing to side with us. And that is why viewers and subscribers, them still have the verdict and pause. And I say, well, if we can't get him to side with us, we are making for as long as we can. And either when we decide, say, we're going to call an early election, or we're going to make it go to the point where, you know what I mean, a time for we call one, we can just tell them, say, yeah, give them the verdict date. I make the whole nation celebrate. And then we just tell them, say, yes, and now we have an election, and such, and it would be very strategic. At this point in time, there's no other theory for me to make any sense, viewers and subscribers. This make the most sense when we look on the whole situation. There is political pressure being applied to the judges themselves. I don't know if I won or the entire three, because remember, it's a 3-judge panel. So if 2 of them undecided, you know that one person can't say, yeah, you need 2 at least to say yes. So we don't know. But it's clear, viewers and subscribers, that there is a delay tactic being taken by the judges themselves. Yeah, because at this point in time, only they can say, what you know, we don't make a decision yet. Only them can say that. So they're being pressured to do so, or them do so because them themselves have an agenda in mind. We don't know, viewers and subscribers, the fact are what Vybz Kartel represents to this society, and everybody agree with it. It's not just the teacher put out certain style of music. The teacher definitely represents the moving forward of a people in a modern era where we think for ourselves, viewers and subscribers, and make decisions based upon logic, not based upon propaganda. In which we think for ourselves and make decisions for our youth. I want to outsource the responsibility of raising our youth to any other entity, whether it be the schools or the surroundings, even though it takes a village to raise a youth. But we make the initiative. We say we are starting in the house, yes so. So when them pull the door and go out to go to school or wherever them go, them have a certain mindset in mind because them know mommy and daddy decide say, so we're supposed to do it when we go out there. The teacher represents that way of thinking. And just the fact them represent thinking overall. Being dubbed the teacher in a dancehall music. Even the name alone. It anger certain people because they must say teacher. Right away them start to say, what am I teach? You must teach the wrong things. So that people can say, oh yo, don't make people listen, don't make people listen to teacher, or don't make them listen to Vybz Kartel music, or Vybz Kartel is not good for society. Or them try to paint that picture because from early viewers and subscribers, people realize say, yo. I remember one of the first songs I hear the teacher, well, I never did the performance, I did youth. I couldn't go. But when I see the footage, when Bounty bring out teacher at Skateland, the first song him decided to sing was a song where I say, yo, no extradition. I mean, I say, yo, you know, so the teacher not just start be prolific. He not just start talking mind in the music. He might do it for quite some time right now. And from the early stages, some people did see. Because even Bounty, they tell us, say, yo, when we sing certain songs, I won't say, yo, Ray, and you see me, we big up certain classes of people. We realize that we get a fight from a different class of people. And the teacher was fully aware of this. But he make a conscious decision to say, yo, me I represent for the people, I represent for me. When we put out music, we know our supporters. And we are sing music to uplift them, to educate them, and also for them enjoy themselves. And if we get the moment and the opportunity to speak to them live, whether via an interview or we are say something to them, we are going to say something meaningful, something we can help and uplift, educate them. And them not like that. Them not like it, viewers and subscribers. Look for what I go on. But the teachers right to due process in human rights, now so Sean Stam, and the other core accused too as well. Yeah, because even though them other core accused situation are somewhat, as I say, I always point out, more complicated because there are other situations that, you know, then they get brought before the courts on. But at the same time, even them too, because they need to take this off of them record too as well. To say, yo, this never happened. We was not associated with this, what they made that try to say. Because it not paint a good picture neither. Yeah, it not paint a good picture. Gaza Nation is loyalty. What they might try to say the teacher go on with is an atrocity to his career. Yes. Yes. What they must say the teacher go on with a defamation of character. Even that too. We can't say that. Because they might try to paint a picture upon the teacher. At no point in time did they have proof for them statements for them to make. They must make them statements and say, alright, make we see how best we can prove it. It was all a game to them. But somebody free them hangs in the balance, viewers and subscribers. It is not a game. This is reality. They need to free the teacher right now. There's no way, as I must say, one person commented and say, there's no way them can see a face again and say, yo, alright, we did this and we are now righting the wrongs. There's no way them can do that. All them can say is that we are moving forward as a people again. And even as individuals, we realize, say, yo, when wrongs have been done, no matter who do it or what take place, we have to make the right decision as a person, as an individual. So hopefully we can see it soon. Soon and very soon. And whether that means that we need to get an election for the teacher release, well, tell them call them election then. Tell them call them election then. If I that them away from a free teacher, well, call them election. And the people them vote. And the cards far with them me. I just saw this up and go. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But when I like the reason, of course, when I like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified about all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too. If I like, we drop a like on the vlog viewers and subscribers. The share icon there too. So you can tell a friend, tell a friend. Check out the channel, check out the vlog and join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7 no matter when you see the vlog. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, we can continue reasoning from the comment section. Quick recap. International crowd is now mounting strong concern for this case in particular, saying the appeal process, viewers and subscribers itself is unethical. You know the settings, fam. Move settings, I wanna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.